Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you have a iPhone, iPad, but an older generation that might not have received any updates lately, Apple has issued updates for older devices because of a very bad zero-day exploit. They have issued, and I had made a video, updates for recent devices. Now they are extending that to older devices that are still in use. That includes the iPhone 6s, all models, iPhone 7, all models, the iPhone SE first generation, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone 10. And also the iPad Air 2, iPad Mini 4th generation, iPad 5th generation, iPad Pro 9.7 inch, iPad Pro 12.9 inch, first generation, and the iPod Touch 7th generation. So you will see that there is an update for your device, and that update has to do with security. And it's very important because the zero-day flaw that is exploited in the world right now by bad guys is easy to actually exploit online with just the malicious code going into your browser or an email. And, basically they do what they want. They can actually get elevation of privilege and admin rights and do what they want, snoop on you, and so on. So very important to fix that. And if you're using an older device, updates have been issued. This shows how serious this flaw is, because they rarely do updates for older devices that are not receiving any updates anymore. So this shows you that this flaw is extremely important to fix. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.